Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the mystery of SnapTrader AI to see if it's a revolutionary financial tool or just another digital paperweight. This platform claims to use high-level artificial intelligence to help people trade cryptocurrencies and other assets with ease. Online ads paint it as a smart, effortless way to make money fast, because apparently, the secret to infinite wealth was just waiting for a flashy algorithm and your credit card number. But before you decide to jump in, it's vital to know if it's actually legitimate or just a well-dressed fantasy designed to empty your pockets. Independent safety checks are already waving more red flags than a souvenir shop in Beijing, giving the site a rock-bottom trust score and labeling it as high risk. There is absolutely no proof that any major financial regulators have approved or licensed this platform, which is always a comforting sign when you're handing over your hard-earned cash. Even the official website admits its claims aren't verified by independent sources, essentially telling you to just take their word for it. While some online reviewers claim they're swimming in profit, these stories lack verified data and look suspiciously like a marketing team working overtime to polish a total disaster. When we look at what actual users are saying, the feedback is about as positive as a root canal. Most people who tried it reported losing money, stating that the AI signals were about as accurate as a weather forecast in a hurricane. Some users have flat out called it a scam, noting that the trades felt completely random rather than smart. In short, SnapTrader AI is widely viewed as unsafe and unreliable by both independent tools and the people unfortunate enough to use it. You should definitely think twice, or maybe 10 times, before putting a single cent into this platform. Stick to well-known, regulated trading spaces if you actually want to keep your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.